Are you struggling to find clients for your coaching, consulting, or a service providing business? If you are an entrepreneur and you are using social media marketing, especially to find clients, and you are struggling, then understanding these key points is going to be a game changer for you in your business. Hi, my name is Arjuman. I am a business coach. I help entrepreneurs, service-based entrepreneurs, to grow and scale their businesses, to package and position their knowledge, their expertise, and convert it into a high-ticket business so they can find clients using social media. It can be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, any of the social media platforms, right? Okay. Anyway, let's get started. The first thing first is let us start defining about who your target audience are. And this is the key, right? We always have a doubt when it comes to finding or defining who our target audience are. We always start with a mind frame of, my service is good for anyone and everyone. Well, by the way, I have done another video on how you can find your target market, target audience, how to find your dream clients. If you want to watch the video, check the link here and definitely you can watch it, right? And defining your target audience is key. Understanding who your ideal client is, what exactly are their pain points, is the first step. What is that which is keeping them awake in the night? What is the desired results which they are longing for, which they are waiting to achieve in their life? This is going to be the key. Once you understand like who your target audience is, and once you understand their pain points, their struggles, their challenges, their desires, their dreams, the results which they want back of your hand, it becomes easy for you to look for these audience on social media and understanding where are these audience congregating. Are they on Facebook? Are they using Instagram? Are they on LinkedIn? Are they on TikTok? Are they on YouTube? What kind of blog posts do they read? What YouTube channels do they subscribe to? What is what is that they're searching for online? So these are the keys for you to find out a pain. Even if you want to look up on Quora, what people are, Quora.com, what people are looking for, you can do this. So this is the first step where you are going to define your target audience, your ideal client or your dream client, understand their pain points, struggles, challenges, results, and what is that which you're going to help them. This is going to help you tailor your solution and be in front of your target market. And honestly, when it comes to this first key aspect, I have heard and I have seen so many people spreading their legs everywhere. They are on Facebook, they are on Instagram, they're on TikTok, they're doing social media, they're working long hours. This is not going to help you guys. All right, if you really have a defined target market, it becomes easy for you to focus on one particular platform and where your target audience are, especially Facebook groups. Because I have been able to generate 6 figures in my business with the power of Facebook groups, understanding where my ideal clients are. And this is what exactly I teach my clients who are coaches, service providers, consultants, to find out where their clients are congregating and to be there. Right? That's the first step. Now let's move on to the second one. Second, you need to ensure that your profiles are optimized. Your profiles are having a clear message, which speaks to the language which your ideal client can understand. If your ideal client is not able to understand the language which is used on your profile, in your cover pictures, in the intro section, in the bio section, then that is not going to help them connect with what exactly you do. right? So doing the optimization of your profiles using the keywords, it becomes easy for people to find you on social media. So understand like what kind of a keywords your ideal client must be looking for. If you are a health coach, what kind of a keyword is your ideal client searching for? Use this when it comes to optimization of your profile. Craft a message, probably the I help message, or we help. If you're a company, we help message, that is going to be easy. And I in fact did this video as well, so if you want to watch the video, like check the link, and go on and watch it maybe once you're done with this video. Optimization of your Facebook profile would like create clear, not only Facebook profile, I mean your any kind of a social media profile, is literally going to help people understand who you are, how do you serve, and what's the big result which you can bring for your clients. When you have these three specific questions answered for them, it becomes easy for them to relate to and to see what exactly they can achieve, or if you are the person, a go-to person who they need to approach so they can solve the pain, problem, challenges what they have in their life. All right, let's move on to the third one. Now, once the profile is optimized, once you have clarity of your targeted audience, the third way for you is find some Facebook groups or communities on, Reddit, LinkedIn, and join them, right? Start engaging in these communities, share valuable content in these communities, so you are able to position yourself as an expert in your industry. Give advice. What I have seen people do is, which is kind of off track and which really puts off people, is like, hey, if you want a life coach, send me a message. Hey, if you are struggling with weight loss, check my website. Spamming the links, doing a direct promo is something which really, this is what most of the people are doing on social media, and this is not the exact way for you to get clients. Do you really think people who want help are going to click on those unknown links on social media and they're going to approach you just because they have seen your comment on somebody else's post, which seems to be like a spam? No, people don't. Would you click the link of somebody else's post, in the comments or in the YouTube channel as well? I have seen people spamming the links in the comments. Do you really think that you are going to click those links? Ask yourself. If no, then don't do it, because that is not an ethical way to present yourself as an expert. If you do not establish that authority in your industry, in your niche, then how do you expect people to look up on you as an authority, right? I have seen far more. The best way for you to do this is definitely congregate in the Facebook groups where your ideal clients are already congregating, the communities where your ideal clients are discussing about a certain problem, a certain issue. Start engaging, give value, create content, help, offer helpful advice, build that connection as a leader in your industry, which is going to help people consider your services, if that makes sense, right? So let's move on to the fourth one. Another effective strategy which you can use for social media advertising is definitely having doing targeted ads, right? I do not teach ads, that's a different way, but of course, ads are great when you have clarity in your offer is validated, you have clarity in your audience, you have the social proof, you have the social currency. Now you know how to run ads. Ads are the best way for you to scale your business, but organic marketing is a great way for you to start your business and start generating consistent income, right? So you can run ads either on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn with a targeting option. And this is going to like literally help you in understanding and reaching out to a specific target market depending on your demographics, their interests, their behavior, and this is like way more powerful for you to do, for you to reach out to your ideal clients and to offer them your services, right? That's the fourth way. Last but not the least is like definitely creating content on your social media profile itself is going to do a lot of heavy lifting for you in your business. If you are somebody out there who's just sharing posts, creating content, or just creating content which doesn't speaks to a specific problem, then probably this is not going to help you establish that authority. Because on social media marketing itself, finally, social media marketing itself, it is all about building that relationship and the trust online. If people like you, if people know you, and if they trust you, they are going to be your clients. You don't have to chase them. They will definitely be your clients when they are ready. But for you, you need to put yourself out there, start publishing content, maybe in a form of a return content, giving a value, or maybe a video, reels, whatever you're comfortable. Put yourself out there, guys. Don't be hiding behind the scenes and you are expecting clients to come and fall on your lap. That's not going to happen. All right. Start crafting content, speak to them in the language which they resonate with, and address a specific problem which your client might have. And that is going to establish you as a trusted authority in the online space. When you build relationship, when you share helpful tips, when you provide free resources, probably by creating a lead magnet. And if you want another video on what type of lead magnets you might want to create, you might want to craft for your business, hashtag lead magnet in the comments down below, and I'm going to do another video which covers just about the lead magnets. They are like literally 10 ways for you to grab your client's attention and give them something to taste for free. And that's what we call it, like a clickbait, or I want to call it like a lead magnet. And when they engage, when they opt in, when they raise their hand, and they come into your world, you have a better understanding, because now the communication has started. Once the communication has started, it becomes easy for you to build that relationship with your client. So this is what is going to establish you as an authority in your industry. By following these quick 5 tips which I just now shared, I'm pretty sure if you implement this in the right way, you are going to find clients on social media as a coach, as a consultant, as a service provider, as an entrepreneur. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found this helpful, please feel free to share your comments, like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video of anyone who might be interested, so you will you will get a notification once we update a new video. All right, I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.